In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, you can either create a new workbook or open an existing one, depending on where you want the imported PDF data to go. If you want a clean workspace, a new workbook is usually the easiest option. If you're adding the data to a file you're already working on, just open that workbook instead. Next, go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. This is where Excel keeps its import and connection tools, including the option that lets you bring information in from a PDF file. From the Data tab, click Get Data, then choose From File, and then select From PDF. This tells Excel that you want to import content directly from a PDF document rather than typing everything in manually. It's a useful feature, especially when your PDF contains tables or structured information that you want to work with in spreadsheet format. After that, your computer's file browser will open. Use it to locate the PDF file you want to convert. Once you find the correct file, select it, then either press Enter on your keyboard or click Open. At this point, Excel will begin reading the PDF and preparing the available data for import. Now give it a moment while the Navigator pane opens. This window shows the tables or pages Excel was able to detect inside the PDF. In the Navigator pane, choose the table or page you want to import. If your PDF contains multiple sections, take a second to preview them carefully so you select the one that matches the data you need. Once you've made your selection, click Load. Excel will then insert that data into your worksheet. Depending on the size of the PDF and the amount of information it contains, this may take a few seconds, so just wait for the import to finish. When the data appears in the worksheet, you can format it as usual. For example, you might adjust column widths, clean up headings, or apply number and date formatting so everything looks neat and is easier to analyze. This step is especially helpful if the PDF had a complex layout, since imported data sometimes needs a little organizing after it lands in Excel. And that's it, you've successfully converted a PDF into Microsoft Excel using Excel's built-in import tool.